Welcome back to the Math Liberator channel. Today we are freeing you from one of the most misunderstood ideas in GCSE probability, which is conditional probability. And we are doing it through a brilliant exam question involving a Venn diagram. Let's read. The Venn diagram shows some information about 150 students. So the sum is 150 students, and C equals students who study chemistry, and P equals students who study physics. And we have our Venn diagram, and it says the probability that a physics student chosen at random also studies chemistry is 5/12. One of the 150 students is chosen at random. Write out the probability that the student does not study either chemistry or physics. And in the Venn diagram, we have 47 students study chemistry only, and 35 students study physics only, and X students study both chemistry and physics, and Y does not study either chemistry or physics. Let's start with the golden rule for conditional probability. Probability of A, given that we are in group B, which is the condition, equals A intersection B over B. And as I said, B is the condition, means we are already inside group B. Now, probability of B, given that we are already in A, equals B intersection A or A intersection B over A. And A is the condition, as I say, and the letter behind the group behind the bar is the condition we are dealing with. We are already inside. That's the condition we are already in. And this rule works everywhere. Now let's read the question again. It says the probability that a physics student chosen at random also studies chemistry is 5/12. So listen well, read the sentence again. So the probability that a physics student, which means we are already a physics student, so we are already in group P, and chosen at random also studies chemistry. So this is a conditional probability. So let's write this one down. Now, probability of chemistry, given that we are already a physics student, equals 5/12. And we know probability of chemistry, given that we are a physics student, equals C intersection P over P. And we know X is on the intersection, and X plus 35 is the physics students, number of physics students, which is equal to 5/12. So now we do we cross multiply. So it will be 12x equals 5 times x plus 35. So 12x equals 5x plus 175. 7x equals 175. We divide both sides by 7. So now x equal to 25. Now C intersection P equals 25. Now we have to find y, and to find y we have to sum up all the values and equate it to 150. 47, which is chemistry only, plus 35, which is physics only, plus 25, both chemistry and physics, plus y equals 150. Now let's solve. We got 107 plus y equals 150. Y equals 150 minus 107, which will give you y equals 43. Now we know y equals 43, and y is number of students who study neither chemistry nor physics. So the probability of students who does not study either chemistry or physics equals y over 150, which is 43 over 150. This is how you liberate conditional probability.